we are going to see theorem 2. Okay, statement is in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. இதை வந்து நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ it is the same as, okay, இங்கே வந்து நம்ம எப்படி ப்ரூவ் பண்ணோம், diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruents. Okay, the same proof we have, but at the last we have one more proof. Okay, so ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, to prove this we need a diagonal. Okay, what we have to prove is that opposite sides are equal. இதில் தான் opposite sides AB and CD வந்து opposite sides. So we have to prove that AB is equal to CD. அதே மாதிரி இது வந்து ஒரு pair of opposite sides. இன்னொரு pair of opposite sides வந்து DA is equal to BC. DA and BC should be equal அப்படின்னு நம்ம prove பண்ணணும். So இந்த A இங்கே எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Draw this diagram. We have to prove AB is equal to CD and DA is equal to BC. Okay, to prove that we need a diagonal. So what we are doing, the construction, join AC. Okay, after joining AC, the same proof. Okay, since ABCD is a parallelogram, okay, we have that AB and parallel AB opposite sides are parallel, isn't it? So AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. Okay, so now again we are taking, since AB parallel to DC and AC is the transversal. AB is parallel to DC and AC is the transversal. Am I right? Transversal is a line which intersects two lines, two or more lines at distinct points. So when a transversal meets these two parallel lines AB and CD, here there are two angles are formed. Okay, both the angles lies between the parallel lines. So they are interior angles and they are lying on the opposite side of the alternate side of the transversal. So they are alternate interior angles. Okay, Z shape la vandale adu the alternate interior angles. So and since AB parallel to DC and AC is the transversal, we have that. Okay, alternate interior angles are equal. Edu alternate interior angles, angle A and angle C, that is angle BAC is equal to angle DCA. Angle BAC is equal to angle DCA because they are alternate interior angles. Second one, we are taking AD parallel to BC. So since AD is parallel to BC and AC is a transversal, okay, here again angle A and angle C is formed, isn't it? Both angles lie between the given two parallel lines. Okay, and so they are interior angles and they lie on the alternate side of the transversal. So they are alternate interior angles. Z shape la vandale adu வந்து alternate interior angles. Z shape la angle form ஆச்சுனா அது வந்து alternate interior angles. So we have that here angle DAC, angle A angle C இங்கேயும் equal, அதாவது angle DAC is equal to angle BCA. Angle DAC is equal to angle BCA because they are alternate interior angles. And we have that AC is the common side. We have that AC is the common side. So you can write it AC is the common side. So from 1, 2 and 3, two angles on one side are equal. அதாவது இந்த angle, okay, is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, and the side between them is common. So by angle side angle congruence rule, by ASA congruence rule, triangle ADC is congruent to triangle CBA. Triangle ADC is congruent to triangle CBA. So either which we are going to prove that opposite sides are equal. Okay, so see children, அதாவது ரெண்டு ட்ரையாங்கிள் கான்க்ருவெண்ட்டாக இருந்ததுன்னா their corresponding parts, okay, by CPCT rule. Okay, அதாவது we have CPCTC. okay, I will write it here. CPCTC அப்படின்னா என்ன அப்படின்னாட்டு corresponding parts of congruent triangles or congruent. அதாவது இப்போ நம்ம வந்து triangle ADC congruent to triangle CBA அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டா angle A is equal to angle C, angle D is equal to angle B, angle C is equal to angle A. இதே ஆர்டரில் தான் வரும். அதே மாதிரி side AD is equal to side CB அப்படின்னு எழுதலாம். அப்போ side AD is equal to side CB, okay, or side CB அப்படின்னு வந்துருச்சுன்னா இருந்துட்டு we have that side AD and side CB are opposite side. Am I right? So we can write it. Therefore we have, okay, AD is equal to CB. Next AD is equal to CB. Next DC is equal to BA. So DC is equal to BA. அப்போ இதுவும் வந்து ஒரு opposite side தான். Am I right? So you can write it and DC is equal to BA. அதாவது angle A angle C க்கு ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும், angle D angle B க்கு ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும், angle C angle A க்கு ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி இந்த first two AD side AD will be equal to side CB of this triangle, side DC will be equal to side BA of this triangle. Okay, therefore AD is equal to CB and DC is equal to BA. Congruent நாலே தான். Okay, if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts, okay, the corresponding parts will also be congruent. Therefore we have AD is equal to CB and DC is equal to BA by, you can write it in the bracket as by CP CTC. Okay, I have written what is CP CTC. It means that corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So you can write it by CP CTC. Okay, therefore we have proved it, isn't it? Therefore you can write it, in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Therefore in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Okay, so again I am repeating it. ரெண்டு triangle congruent-ஆ இருந்தா அதோட corresponding parts-உம் equal-ஆ இருக்கும். So using that we have found out AD is equal to CB, that is one opposite side, and the next one DC, side DC is equal to BA, which is another opposite side. So we have proved that AD is equal to CB and DC is equal to BA. So we have proved that opposite sides in a parallelogram are equal by CP CTC rule.